This is livingpianos.com. I am Robert Estrain with another great Mason and Hamlin grand piano. The Model A at 5'8" has such a big, rich sound, which I've talked about before. The wide tail allows for a larger soundboard area, so you get the sound of a full grand piano, yet it can tuck into a corner of your home. This piano is from 1919, a stellar period in Mason and Hamlin's illustrious history, still producing pianos outside of Boston in the United States. And this piano's got the original ivory keys, feels so nice. And you think about all those decades and they're still intact. The hammers have been replaced and the strings, it's been refinished. It looks beautiful. Wait till you hear the sound. Let's start off with just a little short gavotte of Bach from his Fifth French Suite. A glorious sound, isn't it? It's very warm, rich, and fat, the trademark of great Mason and Hamlin pianos. So now let's have something very different for you, just a little bit of a Chopin nocturne, the B-flat minor nocturne for you. Just the first section. A fine regulation of the action enables that tonal control. It's a substantial feel that you can really dig into and get the sound you want. And notice the release, the damper regulation. We spent a lot of time refining this piano. Did you know that even brand new pianos require extensive adjustments in order to get this kind of performance? Last, I'm going to play a Heller etude in D major, what I love to teach. It's an exciting little piece. Quite a sound, isn't it? You know, I feel like I'm playing a concert grand. The sound that comes out, it doesn't feel like a small piano. If you're looking for something that gives you that concert sound, that big, fat sound, on a piano that looks beautiful and plays well with those nice ivory keys, Mason and Hamlin's one of the great American piano companies of all time, still producing pianos in the United States. Only 2 companies left. You got to treasure them, don't we? Once again, I'm Robert Estrin, livingpianos.com, your online piano store. Thanks so much for joining me.